If you want a simple camera for capturing everyday moments without filling up your phone's memory or carrying around a full-size camcorder, then this mini vlogging camera is perfectly designed for easy portability and recording. Now let's take a look at it. The camera is really compact. It's about 5 inches long and about 1.5 inches wide. That's actually smaller than my television remote. So it's small enough to carry in a purse or in a pocket or in a travel bag, and it fits comfortably in your hand, as you can see. But it does have a bit of weight to it. I guess because it's so compact, fitting all those electronics in gives it a little bit of heaviness. It has a 32 gigabyte memory card that's included and already installed. So you can begin recording right out of the box. And there's no need to purchase storage to use it, so it's very convenient. Now, operation is straightforward. There's no complicated menu manipulations to record and save. You just simply power on the unit. You hit the record button to start, and you hit it again to stop, and that actually saves the video. Now, speaking of the menu, you could record videos, you could take still photos, and then you have the option to play back. As for photos, you could scroll through about 11 different photo effects, including black and white, Sakura, sunset glow, blue effect, bright. It gives you a bunch of options for your still life photos, but not for recording videos. Now, by pressing the menu, you can navigate through your video direction, portrait or landscape, the resolution, the video rate, your photo size, timers, your screensaver, your screen brightness. It also has an auto power off option, so you don't waste battery life. These options are pretty advanced for such a beginning level camera. You can also see that the screen is pretty clear, and the lens itself rotates 180 degrees. So you could focus at different angles or toward yourself for selfies or vlogging or self-recording. And you can experiment at different angles to give your recordings a very unique view. So if you're in a dark setting or it's nighttime, there's also a flash option, as you can see, which gives you enough lighting to video in dark or nighttime settings or take still life photos. And it's pretty quick to do with just a simple press of your power on and power off. So you don't have to stop with the camera in it. A single charge can provide up to 7 hours of continuous recording, but I found that it varies depending on the settings that you use. Now, to download your photos or your videos, you simply attach the USB cable to your computer, and you can download it that way, or you can simply take out the SD video card and use a video card reader. Let me tell you, the quality of the videos and pictures are actually fantastic, but I did find that the sound does fade off at a bit of a distance. The unit comes complete with everything you need to start recording right out of the box. It has a USB charger, which is also used for transferring the photos and videos to your computer. It also has an adapter, the USB-A to USB-C. There are 2 types of lanyards, one for your neck and one for the wrist. And it also comes with its own handy tripod. So you just simply attach it, have it sit on a flat surface, which is great because then you could rotate the head to get different angles. Now, speaking of tripod attachments, this is a standard tripod attachment, so you could use it with any tripod that you happen to have at home. Now, all in all, I've been using this camera for quite some time now, and I absolutely love it. For a beginner camera, it's convenient, easy to use, and gives you quality pictures and quality videos. And for that reason, for me, it's a definite gotta get.